Today we're going to discuss the discriminant and complex roots. So our discriminant is going to come from the quadratic equation, and it's going to be this portion of this quadratic equation. So we're going to identify the important letters. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to negative 8. So we're just going to do this part here, b squared minus 4ac. So we're going to go 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 8. This gives us 25 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Negative times a negative positive, 89. So this discriminant is going to tell us the number and type of solutions. It's a positive number, so this is going to be 2 real solutions. Okay? Now let's try our discriminant again. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 9. So we're going to do b squared minus 4ac. So 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 9. So 36 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 36 minus 72 is negative 36. So since we have a negative 36 underneath that radical sign here, okay, that means there's going to be 2 imaginary solutions. Third example. B squared minus 4ac. B squared is negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. 64 minus 64. The discriminant is 0, so that means that there is going to be one real solution. Okay, so the number that is under here is going to tell us the number and type of solutions that we can expect to see on the quadratic equation. Now let's see how we're going to apply that. What are the roots of the equation in simplest form? So we're going to find the roots using the quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. So we're going to go negative 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times A times C over 2A, 2 times 1. So negative 4 plus or minus, okay, 4 squared is 16 minus 20 over 2. That's negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over 2. Since that's a negative number under here, we're expecting to see 2 imaginary solutions. I'm going to move it up over here, so that's negative 4 plus or minus 2i. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of negative 1 is I over 2. We're then going to take this and split this up. So each one is over the 2. And then we're just going to reduce the fraction. So my answer is negative 2 plus or minus I. Okay, they are on my roots in simplest A plus BI form. All right, the next problem. A is equal to 5, B is equal to negative 8, C is equal to 5. So we're going to go negative negative 8 plus or minus negative 8 squared minus 4 times 5 times 5 over 2a, which is 2 times 5. Negative negative 8 is positive 8 plus or minus negative 8 squared is 64. Negative 4 times 5 times 5 is negative 100 over 2 times 5, which is 10. So this is an 8 plus or minus 64 minus 100 is negative 36 over 10. I'm going to reduce that now, simplify that radical. Square root of negative 36 is 6i over 10. Let's split that up. 8 over 10 plus or minus 6i over 10. And then we're going to reduce our fraction. 8 over 10 is 4/5 plus or minus 3/5. Don't forget the I. Okay, and that's it for the complex roots. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.